Plan tile layout first so threshold trims and floor transitions become planned design elements instead of surprises. Start by measuring and mapping the entire floor and adjoining rooms to determine where threshold trims and transitions must sit. Cut tiles in advance to allow for consistent grout joint widths at doorways and change in plane points. If a door threshold has a lip, undercut the jamb so the tile can slide underneath for a flush look and better seal. Use a jam saw or oscillating tool and protect the door finish while cutting. For transitions between different floor heights, select a transition profile that matches the tile thickness, or build the substrate up with cement board and thinset to reduce the height difference before installing the cap. Dry fit all tiles and transition pieces for the full run to confirm layout, spacing, and appearance. Make adjustments at this stage rather than after adhesive sets. When dealing with narrow slices of tile at a doorway, avoid tiny slivers by shifting the grid to create larger, more regular cuts at visible edges. Always leave a consistent movement joint where tile meets a threshold and use suitable flexible caulk to accommodate expansion. The most common issues are uneven substrate heights at doorways, leaving tiny slivers of tile at thresholds, and doors that do not clear new tile heights. For uneven heights, you can either add a tapered underlayment or use an appropriate transition profile to bridge the difference while keeping a safe code-compliant slope. If tiny slivers appear in the layout, shift the grid earlier in the room or use a wider grout joint to disguise the cut and recalculate cuts to keep visible edges balanced. For door clearance problems, undercut the jamb and, if needed, trim the door bottom slightly or choose a transition that lowers the tile to door clearance requirement. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers project examples and community discussion to help plan transitions and threshold work. We provide a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, post photos, and ask practical how-to questions so we all learn better ways to manage floor obstacles.